No product is born out of thin air. We just pay more attention to it than others. When all companies are looking for more sales, we choose to focus on product because we believe that everything is from the product itself. We follow the aesthetic principles. Design a product that can understand the people's body language. It should be more intelligent and more environmental friendly. So here, Midea. Industrial design is the communicational bridge between products and consumers. We pay attention to every detail. We have a comprehensive and automatic production process. We have over 4.5 million square meters warehouse with 160 operation sites and more than 10,000 vehicles. The logistics platform ensures dynamic allocation of resources and flexibility to meet customer demand of logistics. Midea water heater can be found in almost every family all over China. So far, Midea water heater, as a member of Midea Group, has moved to overseas market. In the future, we will create more possibilities for consumers. Under the internationalization strategy, we are committed to maximizing the value. Everything is for the better products and to supply more advanced water heaters to families all over the world. More advanced water heaters for people to create a better life. Midea.